Hello, my name is Shredden Osvath, and I will be covering the outbreak of tuberculosis in the 1900s for my Outbreak project. So, what was tuberculosis? It was a serious disease from the late 19th to early 20th century, and it was the leading cause of death in diseases, killing 1 in 7 people. It spread rampantly due to a lack of hygiene, especially in industry settings. For example, the sweatshops that were close, compact, and muggy, creating a perfect environment for it to spread. And amongst medical officials, it was believed to have a 100% infection rate within the cities, so no one was really safe from them. And because of this, it was often seen as a sign of poverty, and many people treated it as an occupational hazard. So, what were the signs and symptoms of TB? Well, there are the feelings of sickness and weakness, weight loss, fever, and even night sweats, which were your generic symptoms of being sick. But as you have it for longer terms, you could have damage to the lungs, causing dyspnea, chest pains, and coughing up blood, as you can see on the right in the x-ray. You also can get other symptoms depending on where it is on your body. For example, on your skin to the left, you can see a red welt that is formed. And even more examples of places can be spine, kidney, and brain. Normally, this can stay with a person for about 2 years before the infected individual ends up dying a slow and pretty painful death. Treatments for TB first began with sanatoria, which meant open-vented houses in isolation. Now, this was expensive, had a very long recovery time with no guarantee of a full recovery, which made this a not so viable option for many. It wasn't until Robert Koch in 1882 discovered that the microbacterium, cleverly named Microbacterium tuberculosis, was the cause of tuberculosis. And later on, Lawrence Flick in 1888 did a study that revealed that TB could last on surfaces for a very long time. These discoveries would eventually encourage better hygiene practice, which helped bring infection rates down. Medications that would be used against TB did not appear until 1943, when Selman Waksman discovered streptomycin, which was the first medication to fight TB. Now, in present day, we have a treatment plan that involves several variations of the HRCES treatment plan. This is made of multiple medications, streptomycin being one of them. This treatment plan can also be altered to take out several medications depending on age or pre-existing illnesses, such as HIV. New medications were formed due to the mutations that TB underwent to resist previously made ones. In conclusion, TB became one of the most important discoveries made in microbiology, disproving many myths about the disease and changed the direction on how it was approached. TB also led to the development of new medications and better hygiene practices, all which still hold relevancy to this day, as new serious diseases have encouraged us to make new medications, and they also made us maintain strong hygiene practices, such as COVID-19 had. And to quickly finish things off, I want to provide informational references here and image references here. I hope you guys find this informative, and thank you for your time.